algorithm. What is the change? I said last class itself. First is the butterfly. That is very important. This is the butterfly omega and k. If the input is x1, x2, then this is the output. This is your x1 plus x2, and this lower one is x1 minus x2 omega and k. This is important. This is your DIF butterfly. We have to use this butterfly to write our equation. Okay, so this is very, very important. And what is the change? As I said that in case of DIF, okay, the input is same order. Input you will take same order, and output it is a bit reversal order. Okay, bit reversal order. Clear? So first, this is very, very important. If you know this means you can do this DIF algorithm. Means you can find a DFT by using DIF Redux 2 algorithm. This butterfly is important, and don't confuse. In case of DIT, the input is bit reversal order and output is the same order. But here it is completely reversed. The input is same order and output is a bit reversal order. And as I said last class, if you reverse the DIT algorithm, means the third stage become first stage for DIF, second stage will not change, and the first stage of DIT become third stage of DIF, complete reverse. Okay, now see stage by stage, I will show you how things are happening. See, now the input is same order, so x0, this is your stage 1 calculation. Okay, input is same order, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. Now this is your input. Input is same order. Okay, like your DIT simple one, you plot one line. Okay, now see I will do the butterflies. Okay, it's complete reverse. So what will happen in the stage one? Okay, it is first and fourth. See how I'm doing the butterfly. First, then I'm taking the fourth one. This is the last stage of a DIT. Okay, and this is your omega 8 0. Clear? This is the butterfly you will do. Then next butterfly, same. First is important, next is easy. Then x1 to x5. Okay, just gap of 4. X1, this is a x5. Okay, these are the outputs. And this is omega 8 1. Okay, then next is I'm using different color so that if people will not confuse about butterfly. And x2, x6, x2, x6. This is omega 8 2, and the last butterfly at x3 and x7. x3 and see my lines are not straight, but when you will do, if the exam is offline, you have to do straight by using scale. Okay, and this is your omega 8 3, omega 8 0 1 2 3. Okay, now it is easy for you people to write the equation. Yes or not? The simple. Now only I said this. Given the butterfly, let this output is S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Now the equations are very simple. You see in the first butterfly, red color. Okay, what are the inputs? Input is x0 and x4. Okay, then according to DIF butterfly, this is your x0 plus x4. Okay, and what is this? This is your x0 minus x4 multiply the twiddle factor, raise your omega at 0. Okay. Similarly, see the second butterfly S1. If you see what are the input x1 and x5, the upper one is simple plus x1 plus x5, and this is your x1 minus x5, and this twiddle factor here is 1, that is omega at 1. See the third butterfly, the input is x2 and x6. It is x2 is not third. See the colors so that people will understand. Third one, x2 plus x6, and this is your x2 minus x6 multiply omega at 2. Then finally see the last butterfly. The input is x3 and x7, x3 plus x7. This is your x3 minus x7 omega 83. Okay, it's very simple. It's a very simple. First 4 is plus, second 4 is minus with the multiplication of twiddle factor. Okay, so this is your stage 1 calculation. Now same thing when you will go to stage 2, the output of stage 1 become input to stage 2. Now you go through the stage 2. Now you can go for stage 2 calculation. Same, the output of stage 1 is S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Okay, now same process. Now here the change, yes or not? What is the change? Now when you will do butterfly, just you take first and third, like your stage 2 of DIT, same. See, first and third, S0, S2, then second butterfly. See, S1, S3. Okay, same you will do for the next S4, S6. Then this is your S5, S7. Okay, now your twiddle factor is omega at 0 and this omega at 2. Okay, same here. Omega at 0, omega at 2. Okay, now it is easy to write the output. Okay, see this in case of DIT, first output I taken P0, P1, P2, but don't confuse this SP, QR, it's completely your wish. Okay, not required to remember. You can take any letter, no problem. Okay, let these outputs are P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Okay, now it is easy. You see the first butterfly. So what is the inputs? The inputs are S0 and S2. Okay, it is S0 plus S2 and this P2. It is S0 minus S2 multiply omega at 0. Similarly, P1, see the butterfly. What is the input? S1, S3. This is your S1 plus S3, and this is your S1 minus S3 multiply omega at 2. Same you see P4. In case of P4, what is the butterfly input? S4 and S6. This is the input, and output is P4 and P6. So we can write S4 plus S6 and this is your S4 minus X6 multiply omega 8 is 0. Then the final one. Final input is S5 and 7. S5 plus S7. This is your S5 minus S7 multiply omega 8 2. It's very simple. See, that's why I said that if you know DIT and simple reverse it, that is your DIF. Only what is the change? Change is the butterfly only. Okay. Otherwise, the butterfly diagram algorithm almost same. Only change is the butterfly. Okay. So this is your complete stage 2 calculation. Now we'll go to the last stage because it's 8 point. 8 point means number of stage is log to 8. That is 3 stage. Okay. Come to the last stage. So for the last stage, the input become P0, P1, P2, P3 up to P7. Okay. Now come to the last stage calculation.
Suprasad, you're muted. You're muted.
Sorry, you are muted.
You're muted, Suprasad. Suprasad, you're muted. Suprasad, you're muted.
Is my voice audible now?
Yes. Yes,
Main
yes.
problem is network, madam. I'm in college only, but here
Okay.
in college also some network issue. Okay, now clear? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, now my voice audible now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, now it is very easy, yes or not? This is very important stage. In the stage 3, the output must be in the bit reversal. Students doing mistake here in offline exam. Okay, so in case of DIT, the output is same order, but in case of DIF, simple reversal, the output is a bit reversal order. Now, it is very easy to write the equation. Simple P0 plus P1. This is a P0 minus P1 multiply omega at 0. This is same P2 plus P3. This is P2 minus P3 omega at 0. This is a P4 plus P5. This is P4 minus P5 omega at 0. This is P6 plus P7. This is P6 minus P7 omega 8 0. Okay. So then after that, what to do? You just combine all the three stages, what I did in the DIT. Okay, I'm not doing that part again. Clear? So what to do? Simple combine stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 to get your complete butterfly diagram. Okay. Now if you solve one problem also same process is same. Just you take one question, same question. I am taking let x of n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then this is very important. Again, I am repeating. This is very, very important. Okay, the butterfly. Okay. Now, what to do? Same, you take the input, same order. X0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, simple. Everything is given. Omega 8 0 to omega 8 3 value known to you. Use the equation. Then we'll get, I will write those equations, means values, so that if people verify later. Okay. And the values are, it is, okay, it is 5, 5, 5, 5, and this is minus 3, this is minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. It is minus j. Please note down these values so that if people will verify later. Minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. Okay, so this is your stage 1 calculation. Please note down these values. Already all these things are given in my video. So I hope all people seen that video and you did the problem. So it is nothing new for you people again. Again, those people not did that problem, please note down these values so that they can verify after this class. Okay, so this is the stage 1 input and stage 1 output. Now you can proceed to stage 2. Now this stage 1 in output become input to stage 2. Now I will write the stage 2 value. Stage 1, all the values you have, please write the stage 2 value. It is 10, 10, 0, 0, then minus 3, minus j, minus 2.828, minus j 1.414, minus 3 plus j, it is 2.828 minus j 1.414. Please note down the stage 2 values. Okay, this is stage 2 calculation or values. Clear? Because S0 to S7 already known from the first stage, so that you can verify in the after class. Then go to stage 3. I will write the final output. Now this stage 2 output become input to stage 3. Then go to stage 3. Finally, you will get capital X of 0 is 20. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is a minus 5.828 minus J 2.414. This is minus 0.172 plus J 0.414. This is minus 0.172 minus J 0.414 minus 5.828 plus J 2.414. Okay. After that, you just arrange in the order. Okay. Because it is in bit reversal order, or when you write x of k, you have to write in the x0 to x7 in the order. Okay. Simple, you arrange it, that will be your answer. Means what is your answer? If I want to write, the answer is, see, x0 is 20, then x1 is minus 5.828 minus J 2.414, then x2 is 0, then x3, what is x3? x3 is minus 0.172 minus J 0.414, then x4 is 0, x5 is this one minus 0.172 plus J 0.414, then x6 is 0, final x7 is minus 5.828 plus J 2.414. So this is your answer. Okay. If it is an offline exam, don't forget to write in the proper order. Okay, because the output is in bit reversal order. Clear? So this is your 8-point DIF radix 2 algorithm. Now after that, what to do? If the exam is offline, then you have to combine all the 3 stages what I did before, and you have to do the butterfly diagram. Okay. Now same you can do for the 4-point also. Okay. Now if n equals to 4, it's very simple. N equals to 4 means number of stages equals to log to 4 equals simple 2 stages. Okay. Then same you take input x0, x1 because input is same order, x2, x3. So this is a stage 1 I am saying. Same. This is a stage 1. Then how to do the butterfly? Same. x0, x2. Okay. And the second butterfly is your x1, x3. Okay. Let the output is P0, P1, P2, P3. Then equations are very easy. And this is your omega 4 0. This is omega 4 1. Then what is the equation? It is x0 plus x2. See the first butterfly. Okay. And this is your x0 minus x2 multiply omega 4 0. Similarly, second butterfly, input is x1, x3. x1 plus x3. This is your x1 minus x3 omega 4 1. So in this way, you have to calculate the stage 1. Same you can do stage 2. Yes or not? If I want, I can write here. See stage 2. For stage 2, what are the input? P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay. Now again, for stage 2, it is easy. Just you can take in sequence, that is first and second, like this. First, second, then third, fourth. Yes or not? First, second, third, fourth. Okay. Like this. And this is your omega 4 0. This is also omega 4 0. And output is important. Output is bit reversal order. x0, x2. This is your x1, x1, x3. Okay. Equations easy. It is P0 plus P1. This is P0 minus P1 omega 4 0. This is P2 plus P3. This is P2 minus P3 omega 4 0. Okay. Clear all of you?
Sir, it's not reverse, sir.
It is reverse only. You take DIT. If you see DIT, the stage 1 is first, second, third, fourth. Stage 2 is first, third, second, fourth. Yes or not? Just to verify this DIT.
Okay, sir.
No. You're getting or not? Simple. It's opposite. If you have stage DIT algorithm, you see it. If you see in the DIT, the stage 1 is first, second, then third, fourth, like this. Stage 2 is first, third, second, fourth. But DIT means completely reverse, opposite. You check it.
Sir,
You have your class note, na? Got it?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now problem you can take. See, I'm not doing any problem, but you take anything, no problem. Huh? Simple problem you take same x of n equals to same like your before 0, 1, 2, 3, and you do the calculation. I'm not doing here. Okay, simple 0, 1, 2, 3. Now these values you people know, yes or not? Huh? Already you people know. This is 1 minus 1 j minus j. So omega 4 0 all people know 1, and omega 4 1 is a minus j. Yes or not? Omega 4 1 is a minus j. Just use this equations to find stage 1. Similarly, then use this equation to find stage 2. Then write in the order, because your x of k is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Again, I'm repeating, see student, if the exam is offline, please don't do mistake. Generally, students are doing mistake here only. Okay. In case of DIF, the input is same order and output is beat reversal order. In case of DIT, the input is beat reversal order, output is the same order. So don't do any mistake. Okay, clear all of you? Or you want to write? If you want, I will write. You can do now. Like this 0 plus 1 means 1, yes or not? Then, sorry, 0 plus this 2, yes or not? Because x0 plus x2, x0 plus 0 plus 2, this is 1 plus 3 means 4. Okay, then this is x0 minus x2 means 0 minus 2, it is minus 2, and this is x1 minus x3, x1 is 1, x3 is 3, 1 minus 3, it's minus 2, omega 4 1 is minus j. Okay, that is your 2j. Okay, then this become your input and find the output. Clear? It's very simple. See, these problems, you people please practice, otherwise in exam it will kill your time. Okay, it may be offline or online, it will kill your time. Just practice. If you practice, then you can finish with a very short period of time with accuracy. Otherwise, single problem of 8 point, it will take offline exam means a minimum half an hour, or more than also it will take. See, if you will not practice, it will take more than half an hour, means it may 40 or 45 minutes. Okay, just practice it. If you practice, then you can finish 8 point maximum within 15 minutes, and 4 point maximum within 5 minutes. Okay, I hope you all people understand. Yes or not? Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still if you have any queries, again you can go through the video lecture, not a problem. Okay, now then next is your inverse IDFT by using IFFT. Okay, or I'm writing IFFT. That is your inverse first Fourier transform. Okay, it is your inverse first Fourier transform. Now, if you know FFT means DIT DIF algorithm, then IFFT is nothing new to you. Same only. See how I will correlate this inverse with the FFT. Just see here. What is our equation? Because you all people know that this fast Fourier transform used to find DFT, yes or not? This first Fourier transform used to find DFT of a sequence, and why also it is required I explain. Yes or not? Now, what is DFT of a sequence? X of k equals to summation of n 0 to n minus 1 x of n. Okay, this is what I am doing, omega or not. Okay, I'll write directly. Let e to power minus j 2 pi. Try to understand my point. E to power minus j 2 pi nk by n. Okay. Now, what you people are doing when you are finding DFT by using DIT or DIF, this is your input, yes or not? All of you. And this is your output. Getting or not? So, whatever the algorithm you people did, okay. So, in case of DIT, the input is bit reversal order, means x of n is bit reversal order, and output is same order, means x of k is same order, yes or not? Okay, means I want to write here x of n is your input and x of k is your output. Okay, try to understand. Now, this part you people know. If we want to find DFT means you are doing operation on input in DIT or DIF, and finally you have set of algorithms, stage-wise calculation, you are getting output. Now, what is inverse? What is the inverse formula? X of n equals to 1 by n summation of k 0 to n minus 1 x of k e to power j 2 pi nk by n. Okay, now I can write like this n x of n, means I am taking this n left hand side and I am taking conjugate. Then what you will get? Summation of k 0 to n minus 1 x of k e to power j 2 pi nk by n. It is a conjugate, that is a summation of k 0 to n minus 1. I can write this is your x conjugate k, and e to power j 2 pi nk by n conjugate means e to power minus j 2 pi n k by n, because e to power j theta conjugate is e to power minus j theta, and n is a real number, no problem. So n, this is your x conjugate n equals to summation of k 0 to n minus 1. This is x conjugate k e to power minus j 2 pi nk by n. Now say student, this is your equation of A and equation B. You compare A and B. What you are getting? Both equations are same or not? Only input output is a variation, yes or not? Yes or not? Or student, see equation A, same e to power minus j 2 pi nk by n. Here also e to power minus j 2 pi nk by n. There is no problem of two-dimensional factor. Okay, then what is the change only? Change only the input and output. Yes or not? So the equation B represent inverse. So in case of equation B, what is the input? Can you please tell me?
n in x conjugate n's.
Very good. Input is x conjugate k, and what is output?
X conjugate n.
N multiply x conjugate n. Yes or not? See, this is your output and this is your input. Now it's over now. How to find IFFT?
Yes, sir.
Now what to do? Simple, in your algorithm, replace input by x conjugate k and output by capital N x and x conjugate n. It's over. Yes or not? Rest everything is same. This is only the variation. If you compare A and B, everything is same. Only output and input is the change. So in case of equation B, the input is the x conjugate k, because you are finding IFFT. or forget about I50 also. Simple see the equation. This is the input part. The input is x conjugate k and output is capital N x conjugate n. Okay. Now see, in case of equation A, when you're finding FFT, you are taking input as x of n and output as x of k. Now same equation, only change is the input output. Now what to do? Simple replace x of n by x conjugate k and replace x of k by n x conjugate n in your algorithm. Okay, if you understand this means rest everything is same. Now see, I will show you one algorithm. It's very easy. Now DIT. I am writing DIT. Okay, directly. Stage 1 calculation. Now you all people know in DIT the input is bit reversal order. Yes or not? Now what is the input here for IFFT? For
X of
IFFT,
k, X conjugate of k.
very good. X conjugate of k. X of k will give in exam. Don't worry. Then simple replace j by minus j, you will get x conjugate k. That's not a problem. Then what is the input? Input is x conjugate 0, x conjugate 4. Yes or not? Simple bit reversal order. Then you see that the same x conjugate 2, x conjugate 6, x conjugate 1, x conjugate 5, x conjugate 3, x conjugate 7. Yes or not? Just see your DIT algorithm. Input is bit reversal order. Here input is x conjugate k. So I written here the input means x conjugate k in bit reversal order. Okay. Now rest everything is same. There is no change of anything. Okay. Now same DIT stage 1, first, second, then third, fourth. Yes or not? Like this in sequence. Rest everything same. See dear, if you know DIT, DIF algorithm, this is very easy for you people because rest everything is same. Same omega at 0, same omega at 0, same, everything is same. Let the output is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Now what is the equation? Can someone guide me?
X conjugate 0 minus X conjugate 4
X point 0.
minus X
See the
conjugate.
butterfly of DIT. Just once go through the butterfly of DIT, all of you, because you are in the DIF mode. Just once go through the butterfly of DIT.
Plus omega 8 0 x conjugate
Plus
4. Omega 8 0
omega 0
x
x
conjugate
conjugate 4.
4.
Very good. This is x conjugate 0
minus
minus very good omega 0 x conjugate 4. Yes, another. If you want, I will recall you the DIT butterfly. This is x1, this is x2, omega and k. This is your x1 plus omega and k. Oh, okay, I will write it properly. Okay, I will write here. It is x1, x2, so that it is easy for you. This is x1 plus omega and k, x2. This is x1 minus omega and k, x2. Yes or not? Don't be confused. Okay, this is your butterfly for DIT. Then what is P2? Please someone guide me.
X conjugate 2
Yes,
Plus omega 8 0
yes,
x
X
conjugate
conjugate
6.
very good. Then, okay, same. Rest you can write. It's very easy. Then x conjugate 1, because rest everything is same. Only the input will change. X conjugate 1 plus omega at 0, x conjugate 5. This is x conjugate 1 minus omega at 0, x conjugate 5. Finally, sorry, capital x conjugate 3 plus omega at 0 x conjugate 7. This is x conjugate 3 minus omega at 0 x conjugate 7. Okay. Please note down these equations. This is your stage 1 calculation. All of you, I'm just giving 30-second time to you people. Not required to note down because you know already, but still, because you have to upload the assignment, no? You just note down.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Completed. Okay. Then we go to stage 2. Now same stage 1 output become input to stage 2. Rest everything same. See, everything is same. Now P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Same process. Okay. Now how we'll do the butterfly? Already I said yes or not? How to do? Anyone? How I will do the first butterfly?
P naught, P2,
Very good. P naught, P2. Okay. Second butterfly,
P1, P3,
P1, P3. It's good. Okay. Third butterfly,
P4, P6,
P4, P6. And the final butterfly,
P5, P7.
very good. P5, P7. Okay. Because rest everything is same, nothing new. Huh? This is same. Omega 8 is 0. Okay. Or I will write here, no problem. Omega 8 is 0. Okay. And omega 8 2. Okay. Here is actually no proper space. That's why I'm writing here. See, you can write here or here, no problem. I want to say that the important is the equation. Equation must not vary. Okay. Otherwise, in the notation, you can write here also. It's not a problem. Okay. And here also same. Your omega at 0 and this is omega at 2. Clear? Now, the equations you will write same. Let the output is S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Now, can you please guide me? What is S0?
P naught plus P2, omega 8, 0.
Very good. P naught plus P2, omega 8, 0. And S1.
P1 plus
P1
omega 8 square,
plus
P2.
S2. Yes, sir.
P naught minus P2, omega 8, 0.
P naught minus P2. Same. First two positives, next two negatives, and other than this is P1 minus P3, omega 8, 2. So S4, it is a yes, P4,
Plus omega 8, 0, P6.
okay, omega at 0, P6, S5, P5 plus omega at 2, P7, the next two is minus P4 minus omega at 0, P6, this is 0, don't confuse. And this is your P5 minus omega at 2, P7. Okay, so this is your stage 2 calculation. Stage 2 calculation. Okay, if you know DIT, These all thing you can do by yourself. I'm not doing anything new. Okay. Only remember the butterfly and the steps how I'm doing. Okay. I'm giving this 30 seconds to you people. Please note down these equations so that we will go to final stage, that is your stage 3. And write your equation by your own. Now don't see the screen. First you write by yourself, then check it. What I written in the screen. Okay, because everything you people know. The butterfly also people know how to write the equations, you know. So better you write by yourself. Okay, it's 1 minute over. Now can I go to stage 3? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then final stage, that is your stage 3. Same, the stage 2 output means the S0 to S7 become input to stage 3. Okay, S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Okay. Now stage 3. Stage 3, how I will do the butterfly? Can someone guide me? First butterfly.
S0, S4.
Very good. S0 and S4. Okay. Okay. And this is your omega at 0. Second butterfly.
S1, S5.
Very good. S1 and S5. See, my butterflies are not straight, but if you do, you will do properly. This is your omega 8 1. Third butterfly.
S2, S6.
Very good. S2 and S6. And finally S3 and S7. Yes or not? Final butterfly S3 and S7. Okay. So this is you all people know omega 8 2 and this is your omega 8 3. Okay. These are the outputs. Now what is the output? Can someone say what is the output now here? What is the output?
S0 plus omega 0, S4.
No. Equations will write first the notations. Can you say me what is the notations of output?
X conjugate 0.
X, where is N? Capital N. Forget, huh? Yes.
Capital N into X conjugate.
0 and X
Okay.
conjugate.
Okay, I'm writing now. See, capital N. This is your X conjugate 0. Capital N. X con. This is very important. Don't do mistake. If you do mistake in input output, then everything is over. X conjugate 3. N. X conjugate 4. And N means 8 here, huh? X conjugate 5 and X conjugate 6 and X conjugate 7. Okay. Now we will write the equations. Okay. Now say what is the first equation? It is
S0, S4.
S4 omega at 0. Yes or not? And this is your S0 minus S4 omega at 0. Simple input and output of first butterfly. Then see the second butterfly. It is S1 plus S5 omega at 1. This is S1 minus S5 omega at 1. Next, third butterfly. S2 plus S6 omega at 2. This is S2 minus S6 omega at 2. Last butterfly. S3 plus S7 omega 3. There is S3 minus S7 omega 3. Okay. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 calculation over, means all the equations over. Now at the end we have to combine all the 3 stages. See here, important point is here in stage 3, what you got n multiply x conjugate 0. Okay. For example, if you get here 1 means the answer is not 1. Yes or not? First you take conjugate. Okay. Just for example, let n x conjugate 0, you will get 1 plus j. Let just example I am taking. Okay. Then what to do? First take conjugate, means n x of 0 equals to 1 minus j. First take conjugate to remove this conjugate. Then divide this n. So x of 0 is 1 minus j division by n, that is 1 minus j. What is the value of n? 8, 4, whatever. So this is your x of 0. This is not answer. This is not your answer. This is your answer. Getting or not, all of you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is very important because you are getting n x conjugate 0, n x conjugate 1. So what to do? First take conjugate. Conjugate means simple replace j by minus j. Then divide by this capital N. Divide by this capital N. That's all. Okay. This is very, very important. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so this part is very, very important. Okay, don't do mistake. Huh? Now I will take one example so that the people will do by yourself. I will give the answers. Okay. Clear? Now I will take one example. Please write down the example. Okay, x of k equals to, or I'll write in some other pen, that blue color pen. Okay, now I'll write the example. Please write. Right, x of k equals to IDFT. Just 1 minute. Okay, now write x of k equals to, it's a 7, okay, minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j, then 0.707 minus j 0.707, then it is 1, then 0.707 plus j 0.707, then plus j, then finally it is a minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. Okay, clear? Is visible? Yes or not? Now x of k is given 7 minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j 0.707 plus 1 0.707 plus j 0.707, then it is j, and finally minus j minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. Okay, This is the bracket closure. So x of k is given. Get it? Now, what to do? First, see here, what is x conjugate 0 here? This is your x of 0, no? The x conjugate 0 means the same, 7 only. Yes or not? Then x conjugate 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X conjugate 4 is 1. Yes or not? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then x conjugate 4 is simply put 1. Similarly, you tell me what is x conjugate 2? Same 0, 1, 2. X of 2 is minus j. X conjugate 2 means plus j. Yes or not? Plus j. Okay. Similarly, x conjugate 6, it is a minus j. X conjugate 1, see, it's a 0, 1. So this is x of 1. X conjugate means replace j by minus j. Okay. You have to do like this. Minus 0.707. This is minus j become plus j. Plus j 0.707. This is x conjugate 1. Similarly, x conjugate 5. What is x conjugate 5? 0, 1. Yes, 0.707.
Minus j 0.707.
Very good. Minus j 0.707. The next conjugate 3.
0.707 plus j
0.707 plus j 0.707. Finally, x conjugate 7. Okay. What is x conjugate 7?
minus 0.707 minus j 0.707.
Yes, very good. Because it is plus, it minus. Here no space. You write by yourself minus 0.707. Okay. It is become plus become minus. Minus j 0.707. Okay. Like this you have to take. Clear? It's very easy. Now same. Everything is same. X of k is given. So first you have to find x conjugate k by replacing j by minus j. Then write in the bit reversal order. Okay. Then do the stage 1 calculation. I will write the stage 1 calculation so that the people will verify. Okay. See, please note down because almost time over. Note down so that the people will verify. Stage 1, it is 8, 6, 0, 2j. It is a 0. It is a minus 1.414 plus j 1.414. It is a 0. It is 1.414 plus j 1.414. Okay. So this is the stage 1 calculation. Just I am giving 30 seconds. First you note down so that I will give stage 2 and stage 3 also value. People will verify. Okay. 8602j. Again it is 0. Then minus 1.414 plus j 1.414. Then 0. 1.414 plus j 1.414. Okay. First. Note down. Over. Okay. Now we'll move to stage 2. It's completed now, all of you. Note down or not? Section A and B. It's completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then stage 2, it is your write down the stage 2 values 8, 8, okay, 8, it is 4, then it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, zero, 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 then it is minus 2.828 plus j 2.828. Please note down. Okay, use the equation because P0 to P7 value known to you. stage 1 calculation, use the equation for stage 2 and find these values. Okay, now I will go to the stage 3 final output. Okay, stage 3, please note down, it is 8, 8, 8, it's 8, 8, 8, 8, 0. Okay. Clear? Now stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 calculation I given to you people. Okay. Now what you people will do? Just you have equations, everything, and you just once verify it by yourself. Get it? Now we stop here. It's almost time over. So what we discussed today, just your DIF algorithm and a simple IFFT using DIT. In the next class, I will discuss IFFT using DIF. But before coming to next class, please all of you try by yourself because everything is same. Just in the DIF algorithm, change the input and output according to IFFT equation and do by yourself. Okay, the analysis part. Clear? So we'll stop here, madam. We'll stop here.
Yes, yes, yes. You said
Okay.
quiz tomorrow? Next tomorrow.
Madam,
Quiz.
quiz
Ah,
tomorrow.
yeah,
Okay, we'll see, madam.
yeah. Shall we do or not?
Actually, tomorrow, madam, I'm planning to finish this completely IFFT.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
that next class or some other day I will do
Yeah. Okay.
because IFFT also it will take time. 4 point is there, 8 point DF, 4 point DF is there.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, student, thank you all of you. Before coming to the next class, please you try it by yourself the inverse part of DIF we will discuss. Okay, thank you so much. We will end this meeting here.